Right. Using wire mesh well we can use in construction, separating fine sand from the coarse sand. Correct or not? Next, a piece of cotton. Next, a piece of muslin cloth or fine cloth, we can say. Muslin cloth, like a tea bag cloth, Fine cloth. Next, layer of sand can be used as a filters for various purposes. For what? For various purposes. Is it okay, Tamil Selvan, Shruti, Pradosh, Mamanish? Various? Yes, now, let us go for supply of drinking water in a city. All of you keep it. Supply of what is that?
Supply of drinking water.
City. Supply of drinking water. Drinking water in city. Not only city, nowadays, even most of the even normal Indian towns also, the municipalities, corporation, everything they are doing this only. So, as well as if you go for example, you can take your capital city, Chennai only. So, Chennai, we have so many water reservoirs. While you are coming to Pudukkottai also, we can see so many water bodies where they are the major source of water supply for Chennai. Is it yes or no, guys? Yes or no? No. The water which is present in this water body, we people are not drinking directly because it contains so many impurities. Is it yes or no, guys? Respond. Yes? Yes. The water from a river or whatever it is, the water body where the water is pumped by the pumping station, we can call it as pumping station into a large reservoir, we can see. That is what we can say. Storage, understanding, reservoirs where the water is stored, or else from the rivers. Suppose from the Kaveri river, if you are pumping the water into the somewhere particular kind of pumping station with the help of pumping station. For example, I will show you real example. You can see while you are coming to the Pudukkottai also, we can see that pumping station where you see water bodies somewhere like some building they will construct. Have you seen it? Like I will show you, just imagine. The Tanjore also, if you go Tanjore also, somewhere you can see mid of the water. 1 minute, I am not seeing the pictures. I will show you the pictures. Then you maybe understand more clearly. Where it is not seen. 1 minute. Yeah. So okay. I will show you. Wait. Yeah, I got it. I got it. So now observe very carefully this picture, then you can understand. So here, if you'll see in this picture, in a Tamil Nadu, while coming from Chennai also, like this is called as water body, where the source of water, this is what we can say the reservoir or some kind of a river or something. So in river or reservoir middle, somewhere you can see, while you're going to Trichy also, one river will come, Kaveri river. There, this kind of construction will be there at the bank of river. Have you noticed it? Or reservoirs bank. Is it yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Tell me, yaar. So this is called as pumping station. What we should call? Pumping station. So from that only water is pumped with the help of pumps, motor pumps. They used to pump the water into a big storage tank. That storage tank is called as sedimentation tank. What we should call, guys? Sedimentation tank. From the reservoir with the help of understand this pumping station, we are pumping the water into the biggest storage tank. That is what we should call as sedimentation tank. What we should call, guys?
Sedimentation tank.
You can see here, this is what the river, or we can say lake, or we can say any kind of reservoir. So with the help of that building I have shown you, is it correct or not, guys? So there they will construct
Yes,
some
sir.
building. So where inside the pumping station will be there, the pumps will be set up where they can pump the water from the reservoir to a very big tank, big storage tank. That is what we should call as sedimentation tank. What we should call? Sedimentation.
Sedimentation tank.
So
Sedimentation tank.
water which has been pumped with the help of pumping station to the biggest storage tank, that is called as sedimentation tank. What we should call? Sedimentation tank. Now,
Sedimentation tank.
so the water, once it is pumped into the sedimentation tank, they will leave it for undisturbed. Understand? So they will allow to stand in the sedimentation tank for some time, like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or else one day also, the water will stand inside this sedimentation. Now you can observe, if the water will stand inside the sedimentation tank, basically also you can see, suppose I will pour in the sand or some dust in the normal glass of water. If I leave it for 10-15 minutes, all the impurities, means like a big particles, everything will be settled down. Is it yes or no, guys? Yes or no?
Sir.
That is what. So without our doing, without our work, just we are pumping into this tank, so that all the biggest impurities, like whatever the solid particles, more denser than water. What is that? More denser than water will be settled down at the sedimentation tank. Is it okay, guys? Respond me.
Yes, sir.
Now, but still, some impurities are floating, which the substances which are having equal density with water, they will be float along with this only. Is it yes or no, guys? Some particles will settle
Yes,
down
sir.
faster. Everybody should respond. Some particles will settle down at very faster, but some particles, it will take very long time to settle down because the density is almost similar to the water density. They will be continuously floating only. So it will take a huge amount of time to filter. So that is why we don't have that much time. So what they will do means, all the big solid particles will be settled down. That water, it is not pure water, which will be send it to the next tank. That tank is called as loading tank. What we should call, guys?
Loading tank.
Understand? So now, what do you mean by loading tank? Let us imagine now. For example, Mawanish is running alone. He can run very long distance. Is it yes or no, guys? Yes or no, Laksha? I am speaking louder only, Laksha, already. Yeah. Mawanish is alone, is speaking. He can run longer or not? Please tell me. Yes, Ram? Nobody is responding.
Sir.
Alone is running. Now he can run longer distance or not? Yes or no? Now, suddenly,
Sir.
Pradosh will jump onto the Mawanish. Then his speed will decreases, and as well as he will travel less distance compared to the before. Is it yes or no, guys?
Sir.
Another side, if suppose another fellow also will jump, suppose Maitreyan also will jump onto this Mawanish, then Mawanish will fall down very faster. Is it yes or no? Will you accept it, guys?
Sir.
Same way, here in the loading tank, what is happening means, what do you mean by loading means? So, some particles will never settle down much faster. Is it yes or no? Some particles will never settle down much faster. So, because of to increase the sedimentation rate, what is that? To increase the
Sedimentation rate.
means much faster to settle down the impurities. We are adding some chemical called as alum. What we should call this one? Alum. Understand, Ra? Alum is some mixture of elements is called as alum. So this alum, what it will do means, it will go on like a Mawanish. Mawanish is the alum. Mawanish is the impurities which are floating in the water. Now, Pradosh and Maitreyan is like alum. They will go on, will jump with the, jump on the Mawanish, and Mawanish will fall down immediately. Is it yes or no? Same way. Understand? Why the Mawanish will fall down here? Anybody can say, Yalamakil, Darun, Pradosh. Why he fall down? Laksha? Why he fall down? Because mass is increases. Is it yes or no? Mass increases.
Sir.
cannot move. Same thing here is happening. Here, once you added the alum if you add, then the particles mass will increase so that along with the alum, the impurities will be settled down. Along with the alum, what will happen? The impurities will be settling down. Understand, guys? That is called as loading. So, water is sent to the loading tank. In loading tank, some alum is added to the water. So the heavy particles of this dissolved alum deposit on the suspended clay particles which is floating inside the water or any kind of suspended particles, and they will increase the load. Mass will increases so that they become heavy and they will be settled down at the bottom of the tank. Do you understand, guys? Yes or no? So, by using this alum, if you remove the suspended clay particles, that is called as loading. What we should call that process? That process is called as loading. Understand? So, some clay particles, like some small impurities, sand particles or clay particles are floating inside that. By using alum, we are separating them. We are make them to settle down. We are removing them. That process is called as loading. What we'll do, Ra? We call it as loading by using what, Rasai? By using alum, we are removing the impurities. That is called as loading. What we should call? Loading. Understand, Darun?
Loading.
Tamil Selvan?
Loading.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Still, impurities will be there. Most minute particles will be there. That particles also very dangerous, and also some bacteria, virus, and all will be present. Even microbacteria are there. That is also should be filtered. So that is why we can pass after this loading tank. Most of the solid impurities is filtered. Now, minute impurities will be there. That is why we will pass through the filtration tank. What is that? Filtration tank. Understand, guys? Filtration tank. Now, this filtration tank, as I have already taught you, it is made up of three different layers. What is the three different layers? Can you able to say? Three different layers. What is that? First one is sand.
Sir, fine sand.
Next one is coarse sand. Means
Coarse sand and gravel.
Gravels means like you can use coal or you can use a big stones. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is so. If you pass the water from the loading tank to this filtration tank, then as we know that finest sand, understand, and these three layers of this different fine sand, coarse sand, gravel. Remember this order also: fine sand, coarse sand, gravel. Understand, guys? Understand? Now, here water is coming from up or down? Water is coming from up or down from the loading tank, up. Correct or not? That is why fine sand is in up layer. If the water is coming from down, then where the fine sand? Fine sand should be at bottom. Understand, Ra? Yes or no? Wherever the water is coming, there
Yes, sir.
fine sand. So, fine sand, coarse sand, gravel. Gravels means like some kind of a big stones. Understand? So, like these three different layers, triple layer filter you have to make it so that most of the bacteria also will be captured or filtered in this layer. That is what we should call as filtration tank. What we should call, guys? Filtration tank. If you want, you can draw filtration tank. Now you can see still the water, some water is having bad smell. Is it yes or no, guys? Some water is having bad smell. And some water still it is having some kind of microbacteria even which can pass through that fine sand also. So for them, they also causes some diseases. So we have to kill them. That is why we can send it to the another tank called as chlorination tank. Chlorination. So here we'll pass the chlorine gas. So as we know, chlorine gas will kill what? It will kill the germs. It will kill bacteria like germs. Understand, guys? It will kill bacteria and it will remove the bad smell of the water. So that is what the filtered water. So at this stage, finally, chlorination tank by using chlorine gas, understanding, we used to kill the bacteria, and that water is called as chlorination. What is that called as? Chlorination.
Chlorination.
That is called as chlorination tank. What is it called? Chlorination tank. Now, at present, there are so many techniques to kill this bacteria and all. Not chlorine. We are using some UV light. Understanding that ultraviolet filtration. What we should call? Ultraviolet filtration.
Ultraviolet filtration.
Next time if you purchase the water bottle in the bus station or railway station, check it. They used to write this one: ultraviolet filtration, reverse osmosis. Have you noticed it?
Yes,
Reverse.
sir.
Reverse osmosis, and as well as understanding oxygenated something it is there, oxygenated filtration something. So like this, different kind of filtration techniques they are using at present days. These are even more cost effective and more effective method. Effectively we can filter it. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now, basically, generally we will use chlorine gas for killing the bacteria or any kind of germs. So once it is chlorination is done from the chlorination tank, it has been pumping to the pumping station again. Here pumping station 1 and here pumping station 2. So with the help of this pumping station, it has been sent it to the where? Water storage tank. What is that? Water storage.
Water storage tank.
Villages, this water storage will be. Have you noticed it? Water tanks. Very
Yes,
top.
sir.
So this is what the water will be pumping to the water storage tank. If you go to the city, very, very big tanks will be there. Understand, Ra? So from there, each and every area, each and every house in our home, it has been connected to this tap water. That is what the tap which is connected from this water storage tank, it is reaching to our home. That is what we should call as drinking water. Like this, these many processes are taking place when the water is reaching from where? From the source like reservoirs or river or lake to our home. So these many processes taking place. First one is what? Sedimentation tank. Understand? Only they will allow for undisturbed so that most of the big particles will settle down automatically. Later, loading tank. Loading tank, what they are using, Ra? What they are using?
Sir, alum is added.
Alum is a mixture of element which will increases the mass of the particles.
Mass of the particles to settle down, sir.
Yes, it will make the impurities heavy and it will make it to settle down. Later, that water is passes through the filtration tank. So filtration tank, triple layer is there. What is that? Fine sand, coarse sand,
Sand, coarse, and sand and gravel.
most of the bacteria and viruses also. Later, still some microbacteria and all will be there. So that for killing that, we are passing the chlorine gas. That tank is called as chlorination tank. So here after chlorination only it has been pumped with the help of pumping stations. It has been pumped to the water storage tank. So these water storage tank too, we have been separated. We have been connection to the each and every home in our cities and all. Even villages also nowadays, most of the villages this process has been started. This is what we can say, filtration of water. What we can call? What is this process name called as?
Filtration of water.
Filtration of water, and this process exact name is called as supply of drinking water in a city. What is that? Supply of drinking
Supply
water.
of drinking water in city.
So for getting a safe water for drinking, we are doing these many process. This is what we should call as removing solid impurities, insoluble solid impurities from the liquid. What is that? Insoluble solid impurities.
Soluble solid impurities from the liquid.
With this, I will stop this today's class. The next class we'll study. This is the first method called as filtration. In next class, we'll study what? Second method called as, what is that? Separation by centrifugation.
Centrifugation.
So with this, I will stop today's class. I hope you all understand the filtration very well. Any doubt, guys? No doubt?
Thank you, sir.
If you don't have any
Thank
doubt,
you, sir.
thank you.